This is what we see in the first reading also. We see Peter speaking up boldly to the Jews, because when they saw this, when they had cured this man with the disease, and the people were perplexed to see. And Peter, without fear, comes up and speaks that they should follow Christ. My dear friends, these disciples, they were so scared once Jesus had been crucified and died. But now there's a different sort of energy which has come into their hearts, and that is the energy which the risen Lord has given us. There are many times we also get caught up with a lot of things. We are also very doubtful. We also doubt a lot of things. We even doubt God. That this time let us ask God to increase our faith in Him, to ask God to be with us, to give, and also we need to do on our part to invite God in our life.